Hello and welcome to the video. This one is an awful lot different from the ones that you've seen already. Apologies for the audio. The audio is coming from this camera and it's going to be terrible. But don't worry about that because this is all around flying. This is Mark. Say hello, Mark.
Hello, Mark.
Hello, Mark. Mark is one of my buddies and we're going to fly one of the Microlights at Arklid Airport today. Mark's very kind and takes me up and gives me a fly of something else apart from radio controlled aircraft. But Mark has a couple of his own channels and I'll put links down below so you can have a look at them. One is about walking and the other is about flying. So if you're interested in full-size flying microlights, then check out the link. And also if you're interested in walking, particularly in the Lake District at the moment.
Definitely in the Lake District, back in Wainwrights. Then
go and have a look at that one down below. Mark's a lovely guy and got some great content. So enough of us banging on, let's get in this thing and let's go flying. So while we're taxiing, let me explain what the flight is about to be. So we're going to fly south out of Arklid. It's a southerly wind this morning. We're going to fly over the south of the Peak District, but it does mean as we come in from the north into Dalymore, we can have a little look at the Dovedale Valley area. So now I've had the chat with the guys at Dalymore about the paramotor training, it's time for us to head back. So we're going to head south out of Dalymore, we're not going to hang around, then we're going to go straight north and we're going to go down quite a few valleys. The Manifold Valley in particular is going to be lovely. Then we're going to fly around past the Roaches and then come into Arklid from the north. Again, we've got a southerly wind, but the weather is starting to creep up on us a little bit. There's a couple of storm clouds and you'll see that as we start our approach into Arklid. So let's head back to Arklid. Thanks for watching the video and watching right to the very end. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you like the video and like what I'm doing here, then hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon too. If you really like what I'm doing, you can go the extra mile and become one of my Patreons for access to me directly for support, and also giveaways and regular updates too. If you're looking for particular content, then check out the playlist. I organise all of my videos into playlists, so if you're looking for a particular topic, you can find everything here. If it's called Introduction To, it's designed to start very simply and build on that simple introduction to teach you all about it. If it's called For Beginners, then that is really aimed at people who are brand new to that part of the hobby. You can also search on YouTube for anything that you're interested in using the search function at the top. So iNav Painless 360 will find all of my videos and even the playlist around iNav. So thanks again for watching and happy flying.